Mind-blowing financial facts you need to know. Did you know that the first stock market was established in Amsterdam in 1602? This revolutionary idea allowed individuals to buy and sell shares, forever changing the landscape of global finance. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. This digital currency introduced the concept of decentralized finance, challenging traditional banking systems and sparking a financial revolution. The world's largest stock exchange by market cap is the New York Stock Exchange. Located on Wall Street, it serves as a hub for global trading and investment, influencing economies worldwide. The concept of credit cards dates back to the 1920s in the United States. These early cards paved the way for modern-day plastic, making it easier for consumers to manage and access credit. Did you know compound interest was called the eighth wonder of the world by Einstein? This powerful financial principle allows investments to grow exponentially over time, making it a cornerstone of wealth-building strategies. Apple Inc. made history in 2018 by becoming the first company to reach a market value of $1 trillion, showcasing its dominance and the immense popularity of its innovative products. The US dollar, widely recognized and used globally, serves as the world's primary reserve currency, reflecting the United States' significant influence and stability in international finance and commerce. Jeff Bezos, the mastermind behind Amazon, holds the title of the richest man in modern history, revolutionizing e-commerce and amassing a fortune that has fundamentally changed the retail landscape. Gold, cherished for over 5,000 years, has maintained its status as a universal symbol of wealth and stability, transcending cultures and epochs as a timeless store of value. Established in 1913, the Federal Reserve plays a crucial role in stabilizing the U.S. financial system, managing monetary policy, and ensuring economic stability through its regulatory functions. Inflation in Venezuela reached a staggering 1 million % in 2018, making everyday goods prohibitively expensive. This hyperinflation eroded savings and destabilized the economy, causing severe hardships for Venezuelan citizens. Warren Buffett, a legendary investor, bought his first stock at age 11. Today, he is one of the world's wealthiest individuals, renowned for his investment strategies and philanthropic efforts. The total global debt has surpassed $250 trillion, exceeding the global GDP. This enormous debt burden poses significant challenges for economic stability and growth, influencing financial policies worldwide. Credit scores in the US range from 300 to 850. These scores play a crucial role in determining access to loans, interest rates, and financial opportunities for individuals. The average American carries over $90,000 in debt, including mortgages, student loans, and credit card balances. This substantial debt impacts financial security and future planning for many households. China is the largest holder of US debt among foreign countries, reflecting significant economic interdependence. This financial relationship influences global markets and policy decisions, highlighting China's substantial role in the global economy. China pioneered paper money 1,400 years ago, revolutionizing trade and commerce. This innovation allowed for more efficient transactions, influencing economic systems worldwide and laying the foundation for modern currency. The US once printed a $100,000 bill, mainly for transactions between Federal Reserve banks. These high-denomination notes, now discontinued, symbolize the vast scale of the US financial system. Cryptocurrency market capitalization surpassed $2 trillion in 2021, underscoring the rapid growth and mainstream acceptance of digital assets. This milestone highlights the transformative impact of blockchain technology on global finance. Subscribe for more fascinating financial facts and stay ahead in your financial journey. Engaging with these insights can empower you to make informed financial decisions and navigate the complexities of the economy. Financial literacy is crucial for navigating today's complex world, yet many people lack basic knowledge. Understanding key concepts like budgeting and investing can significantly improve your financial well-being and future security. Start small by setting attainable financial goals and tracking your expenses. Gradually, you can explore more advanced topics like stocks and real estate. Equip yourself with knowledge to make informed decisions.